You patent your own invention if no one ever knows about it or sees it before you file for patent your invention. Yes, and that happens a lot. Happens a lot. This is, for the very conservative inventor that wants to have what's called absolute novelty. They don't want there to be any publication. You're not going to share this invention with anybody, and you want to get it filed first before you share it. Totally fair. Probably recommended if you're worried about infringers. Okay, and this is actually required by a few countries in the European Union. In the US, we have a grace period where you can publish it or even sell it for up to 1 year. And after that year, your time is up and you can no longer file for a patent on it. You've given it to the public, right? It was called the on sale or the publication bar. But certainly, you can file for a patent application before publication, okay, before anyone knows about it. Anyone is an interesting word. I would highly recommend that you do include attorneys. You would want to have counsel, get some help researching and filing your patent application to get it done the right way. So if we exclude attorneys, yes, you can file it, get the help, file it without telling anyone else.